Hello, I'm Shubhankar, Product Owner for PCI Receiver Solution, and I will provide a glimpse of our automated Gen 5 solution, which follows the Gen 5 base chem and phi test specifications. When the user launches the PCI RX test application, a solution suite with all the supported specifications and tests is first presented to the user. For now, we will focus on some of the highlights of chem test application. The specification requires the stress tie calibration to be carried out over an optimum channel and other adjusted stress parameters. Some of these parameters are calibrated under TP3 selection, while the others under TP2. Looking into the TP3 calibration module now, in the left-hand side menu, different calibration parameters like the amplitude, preset, etc. are listed that are necessary for closure of TP3 calibration. The software also provides the TP3 connection diagram for reference, describing the necessary connections. Using the automatic selection or using the buttons below, the user can conveniently progress through the various calibration steps. This module also includes a multi-tone SJ calibration option. To support the JTOL test, where sinusoidal jitter amplitude is swept at various frequencies, the solution enables jitter calibration over different user-defined tones and wide range of amplitudes. The software can perform this measurement accurately and efficiently using the oscilloscope tools and running the SIG test in parallel. The user can save the TP3 report once calibration is completed. Now, the remaining parameters required for stress tie are calibrated under TP2 selection. The user must make a choice between either one of the DUT types, AIC or system, along with the TP3 report to include the relevant sweep parameters. To accommodate the difference in distribution of the physical channel loss encountered by the two types of DUTs, the TP2 calibration connection diagram for each of these are different. Both the connection diagrams are available in the application for convenience of the users. The left-hand side menu lists all the necessary components required for the completion of TP2 calibration. A word about the DMI calibration. The DMI sweep impacts both the eye height and eye width variations. During the tests, the DMI waveform along with the bird intrinsic system noise stresses the DUT but not the scope noise encountered during calibration. Therefore, a precise calibration of DMI with classification between the intrinsic system noise and external scope noise is mandatory. Towards this, our solution uses an innovative procedure that minimizes the impact of scope noise during DMI calibration. This procedure is IP protected. Once the correct channel is identified and optimum CTLA and preset are determined, the stress tie calibration is initiated. During this procedure, the appropriate combination of stresses is arrived at to generate a signal that meets the stress tie targets. The stress tie calibration procedure is longest in terms of execution time, usually extending between 2.5 to 3 hours. We have overcome this issue with an innovative solution. Using certain data processing and modeling techniques, an optimum recipe of the stresses is first estimated and then applied to achieve the target eye width and height. Due to very high prediction accuracy, we can close the calibration rapidly within 40 to 45 minutes without any compromise on performance. That is a huge gain in execution time and a customer delight. This process is also IP protected. The final stresses are then saved for the tests with TP3 and TP2 calibration summary and a detailed description of each calibration result. Our receiver solution also provides a fully automated test suite for RX and TX link equalization and jitter tolerance tests with extensive use of the features available in the board. Complete flexibility is provided to the user to configure and experiment with the test parameters during link training like the loopback mode, presets, etc. and during execution of the tests with varying stress levels, test duration, software equalization, and so on. Detailed reports of RX, TX LEQ, and jitter tolerance tests are available to the user for further analysis.